how to set the DNS server on your Mac computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to change your DNS servers, and this can be really useful to improve your Wi-Fi connection. So this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and also iMacs as well. So all you need to do is go and click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of your screen, and then press System Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Wi-Fi, and then you'll see your Wi-Fi connection that you're currently connected to. Now you need to click on the Details button next to this, and then press DNS, and now we have the option to add our own custom DNS servers. So what you need to do is first click on any DNS servers that are added and click on the minus button. Once they've all been deleted, click on the plus icon, and now there's two main DNS servers that you can use. The first one is you can type in 8.8.8.8. You can then click off of this window and click on the plus icon. Now type in 8.4.4.4. You could then press OK, and you can go and check your Wi-Fi speed. Now there is another DNS server that you can use that may be slightly faster. So if you click on Details again, come back over to DNS, and you can try changing these numbers to 1.1.1.1 and also 1.0.0.1. You can then press OK, and then you'll need to test these two connections to find out which one is faster, and that's how to change your DNS servers on your Mac computer.